And time now for an exclusive interview with Mamata Banerjee. This after the huge embarrassment that was caused to her with Anna Hazare's absence at that rally that they were meant to address jointly. She spoke just a short while ago to my colleague Sunetra Chaudhary.
Anybody else may have felt disappointed by the fact that one of the key allies, Anna Hazare, didn't show up, but not Mamata Banerjee. She's looking very optimistic. What is the reason? You came out there, spoke to all of us. You don't look disappointed, Mamata Di?
I'm never disappointed. I'm always positive and constructive, and I am not disappointed also. Because why I will be disappointed? Somebody may ill, somebody may have some problems. You have to understand that, you have to realize that. I have no problem with anybody. I respect all my elders and I have a best blessings for all my youngsters.
Did they call you at any point? Did you feel at any point, Didi? Because, he had a very strong endorsement for you in the last press conference. Was there any indication at what point was it visible that he wasn't coming? They could have conveyed earlier that he wasn't well.
No. Actually, I am grateful that he endorsed me, and he's like a father, senior man, so I have a great respect for him. I do not know, because when I got the information that he's coming, so he already left Maharashtra Nivas. Then only I started, because it is his meeting, not my meeting. So I thought that अन्ना जी आ जाएंगे तो हम भी जाएंगे. उसका बाद हम मीटिंग में जाने का पहुंचने का बाद मेरे को पास इन्फॉर्मेशन आया. Then I have got the information that he is not well, so he may not come. So I said okay. I managed both duties, both the duties.
You don't feel any bitterness about it?
No, nothing. It's a small thing, petty thing.
Didi, and some of the reporters are over there. Apparently, some of his aides are saying, "Look, we didn't want to come because there were fewer people." What would you say to those people?
There are so many people, and it is not that we organized. It is not our political rally. It is that their rally. So I am just inviting. You have seen my Facebook day before yesterday, where I mentioned that he will addressing the gathering, and I will be accompanied by that. I will also addressing the meeting. But I never said this is a Trinamool Congress meeting and all this. So you know that what we know, that I have given it before 48 hours ago. So I was I was not aware that it is a political meeting and all this. But they will give political message certainly when political parties are there, political peoples are there, and he gave this political message also. So that's okay.
In the end, do you think maybe there can be a positive aspect of this? There was an imam who went on record yesterday who said for Mamata Di, it's very good that she doesn't ally with Anna Hazare because he is seen close to the BJP. So do you think perhaps, is that playing on your mind at all?
No. See, I have a great respect for Bukhari ji also, and I love, when I am working in this field, I am for all. I support all my caste, community, creed, and I am really interested for the safety and security of the minorities also, because they deserve it. The minorities are linguistic minorities along with all the majority people. So we have to work for all. I cannot divide my country. Why I said we are for United India? It means it's a big message. United India means all caste, all creed, all community, all state, all we work together. So this is the message, nothing else.
So he wasn't, you didn't see him as close to BJP or anything like that, Anna Hazare?
No, I have not that information, but I came to know through the press that Congress people also met him, and BJP also may ask time to meet him, and the other parties also. That they can do it.
So maybe he's tied up with them?
I don't know. No, I cannot say that.
Okay.
I cannot say that. What I do not know, I cannot blame. I can blame me, I cannot blame anybody.
Didi, people are a bit concerned because you made this startling revelation today that the Congress, the BJP, because before we've heard it, we've seen the CPM attack you. I mean, that's how your political career started, with that horrendous attack on you. But it's a revelation now, Mamata Banerjee, that the Congress and the BJP, they're now again, I mean, there is a life threat to you. You feel that?
Always. What they are not doing.
Congress and BJP both?
Congress, they have stopped all the funds going to Bengal before 3 months, 6 months ago. They are trying to torture mentally, physically, even government, they have stopped the funds for 100 din, 100 din ka kaam kali. They have stopped funds for universal education. Now they have taken away our 70,000 crores rupees. How we are working, that only we know. And BJP, of course, in Bengal, if you go, ask the people, Congress, BJP, All are working together and CPM. I'm telling you.
So it's a politically they're trying to finish
Politically,
you.
yes.
Not for life to
My
your body.
life is threat. I'm telling you. Yes.
It is?
It
How, Didi, are you getting threats? Tell us a bit more.
Threats you have to see from different angles. How they are working, how they are behaving. I know all this.
I want
But
to...
I will fight this battle politically. I'll fight this battle socially.
Have you got
I'll
security
fight-
from the center?
I don't want this.
You don't want.
No. I want to
Because,
continue
you know,
my
I
life
do
as a
see-
commoner.
I do see, Didi, that the security cordon around you has increased of late. Before you would be meeting...
This is nothing. This is just one, just ordinary team they came. This security is not there. Only 4-5 people they came from Bengal. Nothing is.
But you do feel the threat.
No. Threat is there. It is from the beginning.
This time, for the first time in the rally today, more than
Because
anything...
they don't want. Why I'm telling? Please
Yes.
realize.
Yes.
You have to be very realistic. Sometimes you say reality bites. You tell me, is there any person to oppose this government, whatever government is doing? You tell me one political party in this country they have opposed their views.
Isn't
From
Narendra Modi...
domestic gas to Telangana to this forcefully bulldoze the parliament, everything. It is only I am opposing from the beginning. No other party.
You don't think
Because they
Narendra...
are scared.
Didi, you don't think Narendra Modi is an opposition, is an opponent, is a challenger? You don't think so?
Not at all. They are campaigning. They have enough money. They have enough network through. They have created infrastructure through sponsorship and through money. What we cannot. They are creating this message for this country. Campaigning. Congress is also campaigning. You have seen 3 months. घर का जितना भी काम है सब भी कांग्रेस ने कर दिया. This continuous campaigning went there. So he is also doing the same thing. Let them do it.
Same thing as in with the Congress strategy. And people you think are ready for a change in India.
It depends on people. People are the main asset, main foundation of this country. It is they will decide.
You brought on Porivartan in, that was your catchphrase, in Bengal in 2012.
Here
Do you
will be
see
Porivartan
Porivartan?
also. Here will be
In
Porivartan
India?
also. Change is obvious.
Change is obvious. Last question, Didi. I believe you praised Jayalalitha and she reached out to you and called you. Can you share with us a little bit of what she said to you?
This is absolutely secret and confidential. I cannot pass on anybody's message through media. This won't look nice.
But
she is so nice of her. She talked to me, I talked to her. We maintain our good relation.
and so that third front alliance is alive for you.
Third front, tired front, I said earlier also. They became tired. People have seen third front 3-4 times.
And now you've moved on and today your list is coming
I
out.
am interested for federal front. Let all the state work together. I'll be very happy.
Thank you, Mamta Banerjee. And Mamta Banerjee now looking forward to her list that's coming out this evening. Back to you.